Good day and good vibes to you all. My name is Devante with the Camera Kicks channel, and today we are going over my new little YouTube setup. So about a week, maybe a week and a half ago, I delved into the world of mobile YouTube studios. Of course, you have people like Caleb Pike from DSLR Video Shooter, who's been doing this for years now. He has a bunch of different videos, but this one specifically just kind of struck a chord with me, and I really wanted to turn this into my own studio. Whenever I had my tripod, my light stand, my mic boom, my boom stand, and everything that went along with it, sitting here, it was just a lot of space. It took up a lot of this area, and I wanted to kind of shrink things down and streamline it so that honestly, when I'm just ready to shoot, I can literally flip a switch and press record. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. Intro. So we are going to be starting from the bottom up. So to start with, we have the eMart light stand wheels. These wheels are about $55. You can find different wheels for a little bit cheaper, but these wheels specifically matched with the C-stand that I got for this setup. So this C-stand that I got actually comes with pretty much everything that you need. It stands 10 foot tall. It comes with the boom arm, and it also includes two of the clamps and vice grips that you would need to put the boom arm on, as well as attach something else later on if that's what you plan to do, which it is. So that's why this is a vital part of this piece. Now, the next thing going up is actually the Manfrotto 035 super clamp, as well as the Impact 6-inch arm with the spigot. Now that spigot is going to be used for you to attach whatever tripod head or video head that you decide you want on this setup. Okay, so going up from there, we have the 6-inch Impact vice grip. We do have a lot of Impact products here. Not sponsored, don't worry. I bought all of this with my own money, but it is an Impact vice grip that is coming off. It is actually holding my LinkFlex 83, which I use the magic tape to just attach to the arm of vice grip. And at the end of the vice grip, I have another Impact grip that is holding the microphone arm that's coming over right here. Now, I can move it, I can extend it, I can push it back, but it can't come too far. This is maybe about as far as it can go, and it's just out of frame here. But all of that is being powered by the Comica LinkFlex 83, which uses the 9-volt battery and supplies phantom power to my Audio-Technica AT875R. And speaking of power, everything minus the Comica LinkFlex and the AT875R is powered off of one V-mount battery attached to the V-mount adapter that is connected with a vice grip onto the boom pole. So like I said, everything's connected to that. It has a 15 volt connection, a 12, a 8, it has USB, and it also has DTAP on the adapter as well as on the battery that you can use. But unfortunately, it does not power the light, which is the GMV LED 80 watt light. I was using this, the Spark 150 by Condor Blue, but unfortunately, it gives off way too much interference. I can't even use it near the LinkFlex 83. So I had to take it down, and I'm gonna have to send it back. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to find a different way to power the light. But other than that, I mean, if I wanted to move it into my living room, I could do that and just find a plug to plug it into. Unfortunately, it's not as mobile as I want it to be, but trust me, I will be looking for a solution to this problem here. Now, if there was a way that I could maybe get the LinkFlex away from that to where it doesn't interfere, then I'd try that. But the fan noise kicks up a whole lot on this thing, and unfortunately it had some bad reviews, and you know, I thought maybe that was just a one-off thing. So but other than that, I mean, this is it. It's really, I don't want to say compact because it's really tall, but it definitely takes everything that I was using over here in this area and condenses it into a very small, sleek little package. Now, I know what you might be thinking. If the R6 is your main camera, how do you go from shooting on here to going out and shooting really quick? Well, I thought of a solution to that too. So I ended up getting the PM501 Manfrotto type plate for my video head with the Arca Swiss mount. So I basically have a mount on top of my camera, or the bottom of my camera, that's about this big, and it just screws on really quick, and I can take everything off, unplug the monitor, unplug the microphone, and I'm ready to go. All I have to do is throw on my Rode Wireless Go 2s, and it's pretty much good to go from there. And if I need to do photos, I can just take off the side handle if I need to. But that's pretty much it, guys. I have been loving this since I got it. It's been really helpful, so that, you know, if I ever need to move around, I can literally just wheel it through the living room or wherever that I need to go in order to get my video done. If you guys enjoyed this video and see something that you like, maybe you'll consider something here. I'll try to leave links down below to everything that I have. It's not affiliate link or anything like that, so but just to help you guys out. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Good vibes. Peace.